Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have another set of revision assignment. This helps you for the preparation for your exam. So let's begin. This is from lesson 1 and 2 sadhana worksheet, and whatever you have the concept based questions in your worksheets that we have derived as a choose the correct answer. Let's begin. All the land masses together form a supercontinent known as. All the land masses together form the supercontinent known as Pangaea. Okay, supercontinent is called as Pangaea. Let's see. Plate, continental drift, Panthalassa, Pangaea. 4. The option 4 is the answer. Supercontinents go for Pangaea. Coming to the next one. The city Allahabad was changed to dash by the state government. The city Allahabad was changed with Prayagraj. Okay. So before it was called as Allahabad, now it is called Prayagraj. Let's see. Vadodara, Kanpur, Mirzapur, Prayagraj. 4 is the answer again. Clear? Let's go for the next slide. During dash, the rays of the sun shine directly on the equator. During dash, the rays of the sun shine directly on the equator. Okay, during the equinox. During the equinox, the sun rays is directly hit to the longest latitude, that is equator, and during that period, day and night have equal length. So 12 hours day and 12 hours night. So equinox is the answer for that. Yeah, 1. 1 is the answer. All meridians are of the same length as they meet at the. All the meridians. Meridians are what? These are latitudes or longitudes. Meridians are called longitudes, right? So all the meridians, they meet at the pole. They are not going to reduce their size. Whereas latitudes, when they move towards the poles, they reduce their size. Okay. All meridians of the same length as they meet at the poles. Okay. These are longitudes, and this is also called as vertical lines also. So axis, grid, orbit, poles. 4 is the answer. Clear? Coming to the 5th one. Core is made up of 2 heavy metals, dash and dash. Core is made of 2 heavy metals, dash and dash. And as I said, during volcanic eruption, the metals comes out from the core. Coal is a liquid molten material. So what you have in the core? Coal, you have nickel and iron, iron lead, nickel platinum, and platinum or lead. You have nickel and iron. You have nickel and iron. So 1 is the answer. In the core, you have nickel and iron. Abundantly, you find nickel and iron. Next, the most important and the longest parallel of latitude is the most important and the longest parallel of latitude is the equator, which divide the globe into north and southern hemisphere. You have prime meridian, Tropic of Cancer, equator. 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Let's go for the next slide. The solar eclipse occurs on dash day. The solar eclipse occurs during the new moon day. Okay. That's how when the moon stops the sun rays, the solar eclipse occurs. So let's see. Full moon day, crescent, new moon day. So 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Solar eclipse occurs during the new moon day. Okay. Now next. Longitudes are imaginary dashed lines running from the North Pole to South Pole. Longitudes are the imaginary what? Longitudes are also called as vertical lines or called as meridian lines. So let's see what we have the answer. We have horizontal, we have prime meridian, vertical. Okay. So it is vertical lines. 3 is the answer. Clear children? No confusion? Now coming to 9th one. The dash of the earth axis plays a vital role in the change of seasons. The dash of earth's axis plays a vital role on the change of seasons. Axis always it is tilt. It is not straight. It is little tilt. And that's how we have the sun rays and we have change of seasons and all those things. Okay. Tilt. 1 is the answer. 10th one. The oldest clay tablet is known as, the oldest clay tablets is useful for the kings during the olden days to identify their how much they have their land in the kingdom, where is agriculture land, where you have the rivers. That is like a map for them. So the oldest map is Babylonian map. Okay, Sumerian, Babylonian. 2 is the answer. Yeah. With this, we have concluded the assignment, children. I hope this is very helpful for you. So prepare for your examination, write your examination thoroughly and perfectly. Thank you.